Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to use the Vereno floor pump. Now I got this particular Vereno off of Amazon for about 25 bucks and I've liked it so far. So I want to show you how to use it. So I'm going to be pumping up a bicycle, but of course you can use this for bikes and air mattresses as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to first unlock it. You see these little yellow tabs here. So what you're going to do is you're going to push, if I have the PSI gauge facing towards my body, I'm going to push these little yellow tabs away from me. So push that one up, push that one, and then that's going to push that open like that. You want to make sure you're careful. And then from here what we're going to do is we're going to take our little bike needle that looks like this, of course. You've all seen this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just put this on the very top hole here. And it's not something you screw in, you just put it in like maybe halfway here, and then you want to push this orange lever down, and it takes some force. As you can see there, that's not going anywhere. Alright, so we put this into our bike tire, or we put it into our basketball here. Now the PSI indicator is right here, as you can see, and it goes up to like 160. Now, if you're not familiar with bicycles, if it's a kid's bike, it's from 20 psi, so 20 psi to about 40 psi. A medium-sized bike with medium-sized tires, you're looking at 50 psi to about 70 psi. And then if you got the thin, narrow ones, like kind of like 10 speeds, you can go to like either from an 80 to 120 or 130, and just feel it as you're doing it. Alright, so let's go ahead and pump this bad boy up. Okay, I'm feeling my balls, it's going in. And as I'm pushing down on the foot lever, I'm looking to where the gauge is. So let's say if you're doing a bicycle, it's going to be 0 when you lift it up, but when you push it down, it's going to show you what it's at. So as I'm pushing this one down, it's down to 130. Okay. And then we just release, and we're done. That's how you use a Vereno air pump, floor air pump. Alright, thanks for watching.